Hey muñecas, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys this gorgeous Valentine's Day look. I'm sorry, I know I'm super hyped up over my own look, but what can I tell you? I am obsessed with how it came out. I was looking for something a little bit edgy for Valentine's, but I didn't want to use red. I wanted to go more for like a classic sort of pink. I wanted to go with pink because nothing screams more Valentine's than pink to me. I know for some people they think red, I think pink. But anyways, I really like how it turned out. I think I said that already like 3 or 4 times in the last 10 seconds that I've been filming, but I really do. I mainly try to use affordable products for the eye look, and the lip, believe it or not, even though it's an Anastasia product, I actually picked it up at TJ Maxx and I only paid $6.99, and I can show you guys right here. Ooh, can you see that there? $6.99. Girl, cannot go wrong with that. So go to your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Maybe they have some goodies there, because the one near me always has a ton of high-end makeup at a very, very affordable price. So anyways, without any further ado, if you want to see this little kind of like edgy but yet classic, soft, pretty girl type of Valentine's Day look, then just keep on watching. Okie dokie, so let's get started. Per usual, I'm going to begin priming my lids, and no surprise, I'm using my Paint Pot in Soft Ochre from MAC. And then next, I'm going to be taking my 930B palette from Morphe and grabbing the light shade, which is white, on this palette. I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone and also setting that primer so that everything is nice and smooth. And then I'm grabbing in a fluffy brush the lightest pink of the palette, and I'm using this one as my first transitional shade. So going to be blending that up in the upper crease up to the brow bone. Next, I'm taking the magenta pink with a slightly smaller brush. I believe this is the 217 from Sigma. And then this one we're going to begin packing right on the crease and the outer V. I start on packing the color slowly, and then I begin blending as I go in a windshield swiper motion until I'm happy with the result. And then as you can see here, I decided to bring it all the way into the inner corners of the eyes and create more of a soft like halo effect. So you're going to pack on the color in the inner and outer corner and then blend all around the edges. And then from Colourpop, I'm going to be taking this shadow called Making Moves, which I really like the name, and it's so perfect for the occasion. And we're going to just use it to intensify the pink a bit more. So again, applying it in the inner and outer corner and then blending up in the crease and blowing everything up, as you can see there. So I took a little bit more of the lightest pink and I'm blending more around the edges and making sure that everything looks more blown out. And then I'm grabbing both pink shades and applying that on the lower lash line from beginning to end, smoking that very much. And I am bringing the pink all the way into the inner corners of the eyes here. Like I'm not going to 1/4, none of that, from inner to outer corner. Then also from Colourpop, I'm taking the shadow Come and Get Me. Oh my god, I am obsessed with the names. It's like they're perfect for Valentine's. But anywho, with a 242 brush, I'm going to be packing this color right in the center of the lid as a spotlight effect. And then I go around the edges using the same brush that I was using earlier. And then I also decided to put a little bit in the inner corners of the eyes. That's the Come and Get It eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be applying some mascara. This is the X5 by L'Oreal. I am really enjoying this mascara. I did a full review, but I gotta tell you guys that the more that I use it, the more that I like it. I don't know why, but it gives my lashes a lot of volume and life, and I'm loving it so far. And plus it's so easy to remove at the end of the night, and that is the result without false lashes, which you can totally wear. But if you want, you can apply some false lashes. I use Double Up Wispies from Ardell, and then I'm using Warm Salt blush, which I really love. And then for highlights, I'm taking my Auroa Glow Kit and I'm mixing the shades Spectra and Luna, which gives me like a perfect pinky purpley hue. Perfect for the occasion, for Valentine's. So pretty and soft, but yet a little playful, you know what I mean. So just popping that on the highest point of my face. Then I'm going to follow that by spraying my all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. This is going to make sure that all the products just blend in together and adhere to one another, and the skin looks beautiful. And I like to bounce around my beauty sponge just to make sure that everything just soaks into the skin even more. Forgot my Cupid's bow highlight and nose highlight as well, so I did that there. And then for lips, I'm going to be using Craft from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and OMG, this is the second time I wear this lipstick, but there's something about it. I really love it. And that is it. That is the finished result. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, that you like it. If you dare to recreate it, please let me see it. I would love to see it. Thank you for watching. As always, I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and I see you next time.